Headed soul in this motherfucker.
Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Headed Soul, and welcome back to my channel. Today will be an important video for me and an unusual video for you guys that not many of you know about. Today I'm gonna do a beat deconstruction of two popular artists of the Russian segment, Buda and Fendiglock, on the track In a Hotel. And special thanks goes to you with the show shout. Thanks for this project, because without you this video wouldn't have come out. So have fun watching and let's get it. So this is our project and let's go through it in order. So the first of all we have a loop from the guys that you see on your screen right now, and let's listen. On a melody, not too much effects, just EQ like this that cut off the trash and the lows. And if you wanna know how to make the loops in this style, or maybe you wanna break down some loops like this, then leave me the comment. I'll read everything and I'll figure something out. So for the loop, that's all, and let's just look at a few parts of it and hear how it sounds. It's the second part. And third part. So for the loop this all, let's go to the drums. First sound is CTM like that, and we have notes like this. And with effect sound, it sounds like this. For the effects on the CTM, we have Effectrix with classic sample deucer on it. And let's go to the next sound. It's just classic hi-hat. And we're gonna just repeat it on the second part as well. So for the next sound we have this open head. So this pattern is so easy, it's just step 4. And for the next sound we use clap. Just regular clap and piano roll. And for the last sound in the first part we use snare, which sounds like an interruption at the end. And let's hear all drums in the first part together. That's how interesting it sounds. And let's go to the part 2 and see what's changing here and so on. So the CTM changed here. His adds a second part. Next up hi-hats, but they're not changing, we don't touch them. Open hat as you can see as well. Clap, we skip that part, it's not changing. For the new changes is hi-hat, super trap hi-hat, rolls like this. This is how cool it sounds. As well we added up one more hi-hat with similar rolls. And we just duplicate it on the second pattern. Next sound that we're gonna add, it's Hyper FX. Now it's like this. With this, volume decreases. One more sound we add is a scratcher like this, but here is just one note, that's all. And for a new sound, we're gonna add a bell. And at the end, it's just two of them. Small note like this, with decreases in volume. And for the last sound that we added up, it's interruption, like was at the beginning, but right now we're gonna make it with 808s. As you can see, out all the way up is just short note with envelope like this. So let's copy and paste like a snare pattern, but we're changing two first notes. And with snare, as I said, since it's a copy of a pattern, so together it sounds very cool. Creates a cool effect of interrupting and moving everything to the next part. And let's hear everything in the second part together. So, that's all for the drums. Very simple drums, nothing special, nothing hard. There is almost no effects on any of the sounds. It's all pretty simple, which proves once again that simplicity is cool. But we have some exceptions. It's a master. On a master we have multi-band compressor and gross beat that are triggered in a certain point in a beat. Let me show you first of all how gross beat works. So it's classic gator that you are used to hearing in super trap beats. So it's like millisecond pause gate. I'll make a bigger picture for you to make the effect clearer, and you'll see how it works. So yeah, as you can see, it just creates a gate in this moment. That's where it cuts off the beat. So yeah, as you can see, this effect can be achieved in many ways, like glitch 2 for example, where you can put the gate block and it will be triggered every time you want. For the last effect on the master, it's just multi-band compressor, only triggers at the end and serves as an underwater effect beat. And just a soft clipper, but I don't have to explain it. And that's all. Thanks for watching. And again, special thanks goes to Watashiwa Shouty for this project. Thanks these guys for a loop. And leave a comment if you want to see more videos like this, and if you want to see a breakdown on this loop, leave me a comment as well. So that's all, thanks for watching, it was Soul, and let's hear the beat.